Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Nest for Code, the place where code nourish. We are in 30 days coding challenge. Let's see the date problem. Insert in the middle of string. Let's move on to the problem statement. So what we want to do here, we have to write a program which takes first string, which will be of a even length, and the second strings, and in the second string there can be any number of characters, and in the output what we have to do, we have to insert the second string in the middle of the first strings, and we have to achieve it without using loops. And output string we should also store in a variable before printing. So guys, yeah, if you have not gone through the string part 1 session, I will recommend you to watch the recorded sessions before attempting this problem or going to the solutions. Okay guys, so let's move on to the solution part. Yeah, so our program will primarily consist of input, logic, and the output part. For the input format also we can see in the print statement that how it's look like. So we will getting two strings, right? For first we can just say first string, for second we can say string, right? So it will be first string variable which will be there, right? And we'll use input method, and here what we'll say, first string, right? We'll show this message to the user. The second will be a string, so we can name the variable as second string, and in the message to the user we'll just show string, right? So here user will be entering the second string. And once we get the string, right, so we want to insert in the middle of the first string, right? So somehow we need to get the length of the first string because it can be of any even number, right? So we have a len method in Python which can give us the length of a string, right? So we'll just store, we'll use len method here, we'll store it in a length variable, and we'll get the length of the first string, right? Now we can use the string slicing to get the middle of the string. So guys, okay, so before using string slicing, let's see let's see example for this. Let us suppose our string which was there for which we wanted to insert was something like this, right? Yeah, and now if we use the len method, what it will give us, and let's print the length also. So what will be the output for this? So what we are doing, we're just getting the length of this string. Yeah, it's coming as 4. Yeah, so what we'll do, right, we have the length of the string and we want to go till middle, so we can use string slicing here, and what we'll do, we'll just say string, and we start from colon and we'll go till length by 2, right? Because it will start from 0, it will not include, it will go till index this point, because what is the length, it will be 0, 0 to 2, it will be 0 1 because it doesn't include the value at the that index, so it's 0 and 1 value. Okay, so let's try this. No, it doesn't work as, why? Because slicing indexes, right, they expect only integers. Is length by 2 integer? No, it will not be an integer, because whenever we do a division operator we get an output as a float only. So what we need to do here, we need to convert it to int before we use it. Now it should work as expected, right? So we got the first two characters here. Similarly, right, we want to get the last two also, and in the middle we will insert the second string. So for last two, what we'll do, we'll start from int length by 2. What it will be the value 2, and what is at index 2, this is the value at index 2, and we can go till end, right? So this will something, right? So I think this 2 will be useful for us for getting the middle of the string, right? So let's move on to the inserted string, right? So what will be the first part? We'll just start for the first string, we'll use string slicing. We'll start from start and we'll go till length by 2, and yeah, as discussed, we need to use the int here, and then we will, what we will do, we will append the second string, right? And after this we'll add the second half part of the first string. What it will be, we will start from index int length by 2, right, and we'll go till end. So this will be our inserted string, right? So this is giving us the first half of the first string, this is giving us the second string, and this is giving us the second half of the first string, right? So now let's try to run our, so, and we in the output we'll just print the inserted string, right? Yeah, so let's try to run our program for the given sample. We have to use these brackets, right? And the string is nest for code. Okay, so we'll just insert this, and here we'll write nest for code. Okay, so we got the output as expected. Let's try to run this for the other test case also. So what is it? It's this brackets, right? And the string is day 8, right? So we just copy it from there, okay? And in the string what we'll give? We'll give day 8, right? So it is also working as expected, right? So guys, one approach can be, right, you can use in place of length here, we can directly use alien also here, but it's better to first compute this and then use it as a variable, because we want to use it a multiple part. Okay guys, so try this problem or a note, right? And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also like this video and comment your any doubts, right? And stay tuned for more such awesome problems. Thank you.